Hi, this is Sally, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make spiced pork. This is a marinade which you can use over spare ribs or pork chops. I'm going to be using what they call country ribs, which is pork loin that you can have sliced. You could cut the pork into cubes, put skewers in there and cook them on the barbecue. And you could also bake your pork in the marinade if you wanted to. I'm going to be cooking mine under the grill, or broiler as they call it over here. So let's get on with it. In here are 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste or tomato puree, 2 large cloves of garlic which I finely chopped, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper which has already absorbed the olive oil, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, a tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm also going to put in a tablespoon of wine vinegar. I'm going to use red wine. You could use white, that's up to you. 2 tablespoons of Worcester sauce or Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and I think I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of chili sauce in. Although first of all I'm going to try it. Mix all of this in like this. You don't have to put added salt in because the soy sauce already has salt in it and you don't want to make it too salty. I'm going to just taste it. If I think it needs any extra of anything, then I can put it in. I think that's okay. I'm thinking maybe just a wee tad more of that. So that's probably about half a teaspoon, not more than that for us. This really depends on what kind of sauce you're using. Not all sauces are equal. Redo that. I have just put country style spare ribs into marinade. These need to be marinated in this sauce for about 2 hours minimum. Overnight would be preferable. I'm going to just cover them and re-marinate the other side in about an hour because I'm going to be cooking them this evening. Pop the marinated pork on here like this. I am not lucky enough to have a barbecue at the moment, so I will have to make do with the grill. I'll just add a little bit more of the marinade on top, and as it cooks I will add a little bit more until all the marinade has gone. Thank you for joining me today. I hope I was able to impart some useful information. This size meat I ended up cooking for 45 minutes on each side. My son has just finished his. He said it was really nice, and actually his plate is clean, so I must have done a good job. You could serve it with a baked potato, a side helping of ratatouille, or even buttered courgette, zucchini, courgette, squash, that group of vegetables. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe, hit the bell button, and a few thumbs up would be absolutely excellent. And in the meantime, take care. See you later. Ciao.